Can the right foods or supplements really improve your penis health? Maybe you've heard about watermelon, zinc, or dark chocolate boosting performance, but is there any truth to it? Let's break down what science actually says about foods, vitamins, and better blood flow below the belt. Hey, I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley, and this channel is all about real practical men's health. Especially if you're over 50. Your diet plays a huge role in your energy, circulation, and even sexual performance. So yes, what you eat can absolutely impact your penis health. Penis health isn't just about sex, it's about circulation, nerve function, and hormone levels. Erections depend on good blood flow, and that means healthy arteries, balanced hormones, especially testosterone, low inflammation. So what you eat affects your sexual function just like it affects your heart, because it's all connected. Here are some of the best science-backed foods for penis health. Leafy greens, spinach, kale high in nitrates, help blood vessels dilate. Watermelon contains citrulline, which can boost blood flow. Fatty fish like salmon loaded with omega-3s for circulation. Dark chocolate high in flavonoids that improve blood vessel health. Nuts, especially walnuts. Healthy fats plus arginine for better erections. Berries. Antioxidants reduce inflammation and protect blood vessels. Tomatoes support prostate health due to lycopene. Eggs and lean proteins support testosterone production. No need for a magic food. It's about overall habits. Some vitamins can support sexual health, but they're not instant fixes. Here's what helps. Vitamin D low levels are linked to ED and low testosterone. Zinc supports testosterone and sperm production. Magnesium helps blood flow and nerve function. L-arginine amino acid that boosts nitric oxide helps blood vessels relax. B-complex vitamins support nerve health and energy. But here's the deal: real food first, supplements second. Talk to your doctor before starting anything new. As you age, your body becomes more sensitive to diet. You may absorb fewer nutrients. Blood vessels become less flexible. Testosterone naturally declines. So what you eat and what you absorb matters more than ever. Focus on whole foods, stay hydrated, and keep an eye on processed sugars and alcohol. Both can harm your performance. Want simple, realistic changes? Add a serving of greens to lunch or dinner. Cut down sugar and alcohol. Drink plenty of water. Manage stress, it affects hormones too. Move your body, blood flow matters. These aren't miracle fixes, but over time they really work. So yes, your plate can absolutely impact what happens below the belt. Want to learn more? Check out our next video. Why do I leak fluid from the penis? Hit subscribe and keep showing up for your health with confidence and clarity.